Have you heard about the latest craze that's taking the internet by storm? It's called Chat GPT, and people are going absolutely crazy over it. With unlimited opportunities and the chance to make money easier than ever before, Chat GPT is quickly becoming the go-to AI-powered chatbot for anyone looking to make a quick buck online. According to Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, Chat GPT has already crossed over 1 million users in just 1 week. If you haven't jumped on the bandwagon yet, you're missing out on an incredible opportunity to make some serious cash. But don't worry, because we've got you covered. We're going to show you the top 5 ways to make money online using ChatGPT, and the best part is, you don't need any experience at all. You can simply copy and paste your way to earning up to $100 per day without lifting a finger. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn all the insider tips and tricks for maximizing your earnings with ChatGPT. Make sure to watch the entire video to get the most out of this amazing technology and start making money like never before. Are you ready to discover the incredible power of ChatGPT? If you're new to this amazing AI-powered chatbot, don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll explain everything you need to know and even give you a quick example of how it works. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? It stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and it's a chatbot that uses advanced AI technology to generate text based on written prompts in a way that's truly mind-blowing. With ChatGPT, you can write an essay in seconds or summarize a book with just one click. That's right, the AI-powered chatbot is that powerful and can help you save hours of research time. To get started with ChatGPT, simply head over to chat.openai.com and log in. From there, you'll be taken to a page where you can explore the different options available. And on the left-hand side, you can even choose between a dark or light mode to suit your preferences. But the real magic happens in the chatbot itself. You can simply type in any question or prompt, just as if you're chatting with a friend. For example, let's say you want to summarize the book How to Talk to Anyone. All you need to do is type in the chat box, and within seconds, the AI bot will generate a detailed answer for you. But that's not all. You can continue your chat and even ask the chatbot to give you the top 3 ideas from the book. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are truly endless. I believe that ChatGPT will become the new Google in the future, and I'm not alone in thinking that. Let me know in the comments if you agree, and get ready to experience the incredible power of ChatGPT for yourself. The first method using ChatGPT might be the answer you're looking for. Imagine being able to provide translation services in just a matter of seconds using advanced AI technology. With ChatGPT, you can translate any text into any language like French, Spanish, and Chinese you want without breaking a sweat. And the best part? You can easily find clients to sell these services to by using popular freelance marketplaces or even building your own website. So why waste your time struggling with translations when you can use ChatGPT and start making money right away? Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Looking to make some quick cash online? Then listen up, because I've got some exciting news for you. With ChatGPT, there are endless opportunities to make money in the digital world. And today, I'm going to tell you about the second way to make money using ChatGPT by offering product description writing services. If you've ever tried to write a product description for Amazon, you know how time-consuming and frustrating it can be. But with ChatGPT, you can leave all the hard work to the AI chatbot. Simply copy the product link, paste it into the chat, and let the magic begin. By typing in product followed by the product name, you can set an action to write optimized bullet points that will explain each feature and benefit of the product. And with the option to choose the tone of the description, such as persuasive or informative, you can tailor it to the needs of the client. Get ready to discover the third way to make some serious cash with ChatGPT. If you have a talent for writing video scripts, then you are in luck. The demand for video scriptwriters is high, and you can easily start offering your services online. Check out Fiverr's top-rated sellers, and you'll see that they have received so many reviews. How do you get started? Simply head over to ChatGPT, set up a conversation, and ask the AI-powered chatbot to write a video script. Once it's done, copy and paste the script and voila! you can start earning some serious cash. And the best part? These are just a few of the many simple ways you can use Chat GPT to make money. Let your creativity soar and see what other valuable services you can offer. In just a few minutes, you'll have a fully optimized product description that's ready to go. And with the demand for product descriptions on the rise, you'll have plenty of opportunities to sell your services and make some serious cash. So what are you waiting for? Give ChatGPT a try today and start offering your product description writing services to clients all over the world. The possibilities are endless. Are you ready to start making money online using ChatGPT? The fourth way to do so is by selling blog posts and articles, and it's easier than you might think. Imagine you receive an order to write an article about the best ways to make money online. Instead of spending hours doing research and writing, all you need to do is head over to ChatGPT and let the AI technology do the work for you. Simply be creative with your chat prompts, and you'll have a high-quality article written in no time. To get the best results, try splitting the process into different parts. Start with the article's headline, then move on to the main content, and be specific in your prompts. With ChatGPT's advanced AI technology, you can rest assured that your article will be written to the highest quality standards. So what are you waiting for? Start using ChatGPT to create amazing blog posts and articles that you can sell for profit today. Are you ready for the fifth and final way to make money using ChatGPT? This one is all about creating brand names, and it's so simple. Let's say you're trying to come up with a brand name for a beauty company. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT for some name options, and within seconds, you'll have a list of creative and unique brand names to choose from. And the best part? Each name comes with a short description to give you a better idea of its potential. Remember, you don't have to use the names exactly as they are. You can use ChatGPT to save time and come up with ideas or simply get inspiration quicker. With the power of AI at your fingertips, you can create catchy and memorable brand names that will help you stand out in today's competitive marketplace. So start using ChatGPT today and unleash your creativity to make money selling amazing brand names. If you're excited to learn about more ways to make money using ChatGPT, leave a comment below. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you'll be supporting me in creating more informative and useful content. Today's video was packed with simple yet powerful ways to start earning money with ChatGPT, and remember, every moment you hesitate, you're potentially missing out on money. So take action today and start making the most of this incredible tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.